Hello mga Kalanders, welcome to our channel. So today, we are going to unbox our new tripod and our new action cam. Here it is. I just got this a while ago from mainland Bantayan. It was a repack because this was bought originally by my brother. So thank you very much for buying this for us. So will it take any longer? Open this one. We will start unboxing our new action camera. Wow. So this is our new action camera, Akaso action camera. For Akaso's specifications, it has integrated wireless network, has super wide angle up to 170 degrees. Of course, it has a remote control, 2-inch display. It has a lot of mounting accessories. Definition. It is 4K HD. And it has 2 batteries, and it of course it is waterproof up to 98 feet. It has wireless connection. These are the accessories. The 2 batteries, charger, its remote, and a lot more. For our next item, we will open our tripod. Our new tripod comes with a bag. It's very cool. So our tripod and action camera is now ready. These will be used as our tool for our future vlogs. So thank you for watching. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Keep safe.